Hi, I'm Finn. I work for the BBC in London as a producer. I start work at 9:30 and usually finish around 6. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. I teach science at a secondary school.
I'm a receptionist for Camden Council in London.
I'm an English teacher, actually.
I work for the government.
I'm a student.
I'm retired, yes.
I'm a graphic designer.
I teach English in Abu Dhabi.
I'm a student nurse.
Tell me about your daily routine.
I get up at about 6:30, grab a cup of tea, sometimes some cereal. I catch my bus at about 7:20 to Bristol.
Well, I get up at about 6 o'clock. I don't have breakfast because I don't have time. I jump to my car and go to work.
It takes about 20 minutes to get to my workplace, take phone calls, look after staff that are there and some of the children. I leave at 5 and get back home about 6.
I work from 8:30 until 3:30. At 3:30 I finish. I catch the tube home. Then I make some food.
I get into work, always have a meeting in the morning, and then always help patients wash and change beds.
Well, normally I go for a walk and I go to the gym every morning and go for a swim.
Usually I wake up, make a couple of cups of coffee, check my email on the computer. Then I get on my bike, ride to work. And I work from 9 till about 4:30. I'm finished.
What do you like about your daily routine?
I like going to work. I enjoy teaching. And I like getting home and relaxing in the evenings.
It changes. It's always different, and it's enjoyable. I enjoy my work.
I like the fact that I've got my own free time now, yes.
My workplace is quite near to me, so I don't have to travel far.
I love what I'm doing. I love my course.
Well, I like the people I work with. I like the students. I like my job. It's a very pleasant place to be.
What don't you like about your daily routine?
I don't like the rush in the mornings to get the tube.
The worst part is waking up, especially in the winter where it tends to be dark and cold.
There's nothing I don't like about my daily routine. I'm a very happy person.
Getting up at 6:30.
I like everything about what I do now. I enjoy it, yes.
When I'm coming back home, sometimes it takes long because there's a lot of traffic.
Sometimes it gets very, very busy, and sometimes people can be quite angry or upset.